The NPP President Conrad K today encouraged the NPP candidate Sanjoy Singh while consoling his father Shamjai Singh, who was shot by an armed group and who is now under treatment at Imphal Hospital. Shamjai Singh was shot in the right shoulder at 9:30 p.m. while attending the election campaign of his son at Yairipok Yambend, Laikai. Sanjoy Singh is contesting from Andro Assembly constituency. Conrad K, who is the Meghalaya Chief Minister, has condemned the incident.
The incidents that happened last night in Andhra constituency, the house of the candidate, is very unfortunate, and this is just simply reflecting frustration of certain individuals, and they know the overall political situation. So this is not acceptable at all, the kind of actions these people are taking. And we in politics and democracy have always believed in casting expressions through our speeches and our votes, but this kind of behavior and this kind of an action is completely unacceptable. We'll be meeting the Chief Electoral Officer today at 3:30. I have already called him up in the morning and expressed our deep concern on the kind of current situation that's prevailing in this elections, which as far as I remember, this is my 5th election in Manipur. I've been campaigning from 2002, but I have not seen this kind of extreme violence that's taking place almost in every constituency. So this has to stop. The Government of India also, the forces out here also, as well as the Election Commission has to take cognizance of this and take necessary action so that free and fair election can take place. So we will ensure that we take this up at the highest level, including MHA as well as the Chief Election Commissioner of India, and we will ensure that this matter is taken up and necessary actions taken against those people who have done this kind of action, which is, as I said, completely unacceptable.